Hello everyone. Welcome to another video where I'm going to be taking you through yet another visualization that we have to offer as a part of our Qualitics platform. In this video, I'm going to be talking about devices impacted. But before I talk about this visualization, it's only fair to reiterate what Qualitics is all about and how it can add value to your business. Qualitics platform can connect to any kind of web, mobile, or software application and gather streaming data to provide continuous insights and intelligence to inform you on your customer activity, product usage, and any kind of issues or incidents that happen in your application, and that too proactively. Now, let us go back to devices impacted. Devices impacted happens to be one of the most in-depth visualization that we have to offer as a part of our Qualitics platform. This particular visualization talks about the number of issues because of a specific browser, the number of issues because of a specific device in terms of a particular operating system, or the number of issues which emanate because of a specific device brand. Now, the numbers that are visible right now on screen, they are there within this particular date range. This means that these numbers were highlighted within this particular date range as compared to the previous 7 days. When we look at these numbers, we find that there have been 400 issues because of the browser, which is a 41% drop within the given date range when compared to the previous date range. And the number of issues because of the operating system have again dropped by 41%. And similar is the case with number of issues because of a specific device brand. Now, a drop in all these metrics, as we see in the devices impacted visualization, means that there has been improvement in the software quality, improvement in your software quality per se. Now, this thumbnail is clickable and expandable. So once I click on this particular thumbnail, I get to an advanced view. The moment I get to an advanced view of devices impacted, it gives me additional filtering capabilities in terms of context, that is the features of your application, action, what specific action a specific user was taking while he or she was engaging with your application. Who was that specific user in terms of the actor, and the date range in terms of a start date and end date. Now here what we see is a visualization which talks about how many issues were there because of a specific device. Now we find that because of in the case of non-mobile devices, there was 100% issues which can be attributable to non-mobile devices, and that is approximately 400 issues. We go deep to find that what was the device family. We find that that was a device family other than a Mac device family, which contributed to almost 100% or 99.5% of issues. When I click on this further, I get to know which was the particular device brand, right? And when I go deep, I find that what was that specific device model because of which these issues were emanated. When I go deep further, I find out that what was the OS family because of which the issues were emanated. And we find that that was Windows, specifically in this case. We go deep, we find that what was the browser. Now, this is the depth of granularity and the depth of this particular visualization. Now, not only this, you have the option of an advanced view. Once you click on this, what we get to is we get to analyze, in-depth analyze and in-depth analysis of how the devices impacted visualization can help you understand your software quality. So I just click on the analyze button. When I click on the analyze button, it will give me a tabular representation. And let's say I want to look at this. All I need to do is click on the drop down, and this will give me a specific view in terms of what is the error message, what was the page, what was the error name, and what was the URL. Now that is the level of depth and granularity that we are offering as a part of devices impacted visualization. Now, this was a brief overview of devices impacted visualization. We look forward to having you on board with us and add value to your AI and analytics efforts. Thank you.